Now variable label. For example, here SID. What is the meaning of SID? Smoking, place, ACS, HTWT. We don't know the meaning of this variable. So we have to set the variable label using code here. SID means study ID. Disease means disease status positive or negative, etc. Variable label. The code is var underscore label. Then our dataset name is dat a. Dat a. Then list. If we like to mention multiple item, then we use list. Then enter. Our first variable name is SID is equal to study ID. So if we run any error, no error, okay. Yes, this is study ID. So if we give another, for example, DIS disease is equal to this. So if we yes, disease positive status. So using this procedure, we can define all variable label. So just we'll copy from here. Copy. Copy. And here paste. So if we run any error, okay, no error. So we can check. Yes. Now we can set SID means study ID, disease means disease positive status, smoking means smoking status, place means residence type, ACS means socioeconomic status, HT means body height, etc. And final nutritional status. Now this is a clean data. So we can save this data. How to save? Save that a comma file. We have to give a file name. So we will save the data in the P drive ABC folder. Dataset name is this dot R data. The extension is R data. So if we run, yes, data already saved. So we can check. Yes, R data. So this will be deleted. Already dataset was saved. That R data. Now this is our final dataset.